Right there you have my son Max with Honey Badger. As you can see, the badge is blowing her coat. And right here, we got the special birthday boy and birthday girl.
Hi guys.
Toki and Tammy. Toki is 1 year old today and Tammy's 32.
There, woo! There you go.
Let's sing happy birthday to her, eh, Max?
Oh, sure.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tammy and Toki. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Look at Toki's ready to go.
He sees a dog.
All right, let him go. They're very friendly. They're just excited. Which way do you want to take down, Tim? Which way you want to take down?
The easiest way possible so I don't wipe out.
Well, we can try this way if you want. What a cutie. What a cutie. Hey? Turn your hat on.
Oh yeah. Wait. Where is it? Oh man, hold on.
There you
Is
go.
it flashing crazy?
Yeah, real fast. There you go.
There you go.
Got the festive hat on. Come on, Badge. Come on, Toke. Nice. You see how good the recall's doing, even though they wanted to go play with that dog. Nice. Well, Tammy,
Yeah.
somebody up above wants you to have a beautiful birthday. Look at
I
that.
know, it's snowing.
Nice.
Finally. What?
Waiting for the birthday girl to go past.
Oh wow, look at somebody just.
Yeah, that slide's been there for a while. I think somebody uses it often.
Holy shit.
So yeah, I told you, this way's hard. Now that that tree's gone. Just do what I did. Slide right down that.
Not my way, you gotta
There you go. Yeah, it's slippery. It's going to be slippery through here where all the wetland stuff is.
I was gonna say, look, nobody fell.
Wait.
What?
Knock on wood
I
when
know,
you say
right?
that. It's not a matter of if, it's when. Just beautiful down here today, huh?
Oh, it's, yes. Perfect.
Down a slippery.
I see that.
is a wetland. There's a natural spring that bubbles out of the ground here, so it hasn't froze yet. As it gets further down, it freezes.
Smack you in the face.
Thank you. Yeah, they're having just straight ahead. Let's walk on the river here. There's a little creek here we're on top of. I just watched this really cool documentary about people in the past, settlers and stuff, who lived inside the openings of large trees. If I remember, I'll put a link to it in the video description. It was really cool though. They talked about some of these old sycamore trees. This isn't a sycamore tree, but they talked about some of them being so huge they could stand like 20-some people across.
Super cool.
Yeah. And they'd burn out the insides and live inside them. Again, it was a pretty cool documentary. I guess a lot of Native Americans would utilize old hollow out trees too for that. I don't know, I enjoyed watching that, didn't you?
Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah. What's up, big girl? Shot with the birthday boy?
Maybe. Oh, I can't even see. Sorry.
It's all right. See if we get a thumbnail with the birthday boy. Actually, we'll use the thumbnail with you.
There goes Dad.
This is beautiful. I was relieving some sciatica there. I think I got some good shots of you at the beginning I can use for the thumbnail. Fingers crossed. By the way, now if you're watching this and if for some reason we all have this sickly pale pallor, it means that the video was kind of dim and I probably had to lighten it by like 20 to 40%. Sometimes I've had people say that in the past. Oh, are you feeling okay? It's like, no, I had to lighten the footage just to make it a little more clear. So it's pretty overcast right now, and it's a little later on in the afternoon, so things are starting to get dim. I know people are going to ask what you wanted to have for your birthday meal. She could have gone anywhere she wanted, but she wanted double-decker tacos. So
I'd want to just chill and stay home. I don't have to work. I'm off. Yes.
So double-decker tacos it is. Yeah.
And you guys like it, so it's a win-win.
Yeah. And then I don't know, we'll maybe rent a new movie or something to watch a little later.
Yeah.
Then we got to feed Toki his
Yes.
birthday meal. I'm sure we'll shoot a video of that. If that's not up before this video, it'll be up after. We thought we'd try something a little different this birthday meal. You know, they're used to eating raw food all the time, you know, so, you know, we give them raw food or a steak or something. It's nothing special to them.
Right.
So we got some forbidden human food snacks for them. My dogs actually eat a lot of table scraps and leftovers and stuff, but yeah, we got him a few things he doesn't normally get a chance at. So we figured if it's a birthday meal, it should be special. Let me see the dog over here. Let's go this way for a second. They're very friendly. They're both puppies. Come on, Toke. Come on. Beautiful day, huh? Well, that's a handsome dog. What is he? What is he? A Labradoodle? Nice. He's beautiful. Keep Toki out of the water. Yeah, that's that muddy area. He said his dog's a Labradoodle.
Cute little fluffy dog.
My mustache already feels frozen, is it?
Yeah, you got crystals in it.
Condensation from my breath. Come on! Toki, Badge! Again, you can see the recall's doing real good. Toki again turns 1 year old today. And Badge turns 2 years old this August. And if all goes as planned, they're going to be a future breeding pair, producing F4 Lycan Shepherds. I think they're going to be some pretty special dogs between those two. Also, the breedings that produce both Honey Badger and Toki are have been repeated. The repeat breeding that produced Honey Badger is due the first week of May, or the first week of April, and the repeat breeding that produced Toki that a friend of mine is having is due like the second or third week of April, if all goes as planned. We're going to be treating a puppy between us from our litters, so I'll be getting a puppy back from that litter, and she'll be getting one from mine. What do you say?
Oh, we were just talking about what parts of us are cold.
Oh, I'm hot. Yeah, I'm not cold at all. Are you cold now?
My face is a little cold, and so are my legs, even though I do have long johns on.
Yeah, get you growing a beard.
I wish I could.
Well, there's still plenty of time. I couldn't grow a full beard until I was 25 after I got out of the service, so. I was one of these kids who went through puberty late. I was 5'2", 110 pounds in 9th grade, and 6 feet, 6'1" at the end of my senior year. That's a lot of growing in a short period. They're over there playing with the Scotty. Badge, Toki, come on. Come on. Ooh, they're bringing a friend with them. Coming in hot. Oh, what a cutie. Oh, it's a little terrier type. Badge circling around. That's a doggy smile. Now, come on. Good girl. Good boy. Another dog up here, huh? Hi. Handsome dog. Handsome dog.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Pretty colors.
Yeah, very pretty color. What is he?
Their best guess is German Shepherd Blue Heeler.
Yeah.
Oh,
hey.
hi.
Hello.
We don't know.
Hello.
What a cutie.
Yeah, he's a good, very fluffy boy.
Yeah. Loves this.
Yeah.
Well,
Under
take.
yours?
They're both German Shepherd mixes.
Gotcha.
Yep.
I was gonna say they came up, and I was like, oh, you guys all look like you got a little something in there together. Yeah, different friends.
Well, enjoy the beautiful day.
Thank you. You too.
That dog had kind of cool markings.
Yeah, very cool.
Almost reminded me. You get.
Smoky gray.
Yeah, you get those
tail.
Pomeranians that get that kind of weird
Yeah, very cute.
gray with the orange in it like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, Toke. Toke went back to say hi. Again, you can see his recall's doing real well. Yeah. That's him smiling. He loves the water. Look at him. For those who might be wondering, it's with wind chill, -3 below 0 Fahrenheit right now. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Better than the -21 below 0 Fahrenheit yesterday and 18 the day before when I was filming.
Yep.
This is much more doable. Amy is on vacation for the next 4 days, so hopefully we'll be able to get multiple videos in with her. I think people were starting to wonder if I traded you in.
Sold me off. Locked me in the basement in the cage.
Tammy works in nursing, so
I don't get many days off.
yeah, she'll get many days off, and sometimes on her days off, she wants to do other things, and of course we do it.
Yeah.
Well, I mean that because she works hard.
Guessing that song.
Yeah, yes. She works hard for her money.
Yeah, what little there is, I do, actually.
If you get Toki, we'll get a good picture of you where he's got the snow beard.
Toki.
Hey, Toke, Badge.
Badge got pee.
Badge got to pee a mott and mark everything. We'll give her some privacy. Hey, come here. Good girl. Sweetie boy.
He's like, I'm gonna eat this.
Toki's pooping. Just a moment.
Yep.
Toki's all done going potty. We got him all cleaned up.
Good boy.
He's like, come on, you're embarrassing me, Mom, on my birthday.
I know, right? Birthday boy, Toki.
There we go. There we got a perked up shot of him. All right, let him go.
All right, come on.
Come on. Boy. Come on. Got the limbs here for a second. All right, watch out so this doesn't break on you. Yeah, watch it. Don't get real close to the edge when you jump. Nice.
Woo!
Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on, Badge. Good girl. Well, my battery just died. I put the replacement in. Come along. Oh, look at that, Tam. A new tree fell across. Oh no, that's a different spot. I thought that was the spot we normally go up, but it's one down. Watch out, don't get too close to me so it's gonna whip you. Walk back a little bit behind your mom so you don't get whipped by those. Hey, come on, up. Come on, up. Good boy, Toke. Up. Nice. Let me know if you need any help, Tim. You got it?
Yep. Woo.
Come on. Good girl. Good boy. Good girl. Got on the branch, Badge. Hey, come on, no, Badge, come on.
Where your glove? Tap it. Tap the screen. Thank you.
Well, it sure warms up once you start walking, huh?
I'm super warm.
Yeah. ice ball on his rear foot.
Oh.
There we go. Let's see the other one.
So annoying that it won't clear. Yeah.
He's got long hair between his toes here, and so he sometimes, if the conditions are right, he gets ice balls in it. So I got to shave the hair between his toes here. Hey, come on, down.
A little slippery there.
Toss me the camera.
What?
Toss me the camera.
For real?
Yeah. Nice. Just grab low on the tree before you swing down. Ooh, look at the waterfall. A little ice fall there. Yeah, watch out, it's slippery. We're walking on top of ice. It's slippery. Tammy making a snow angel.
I want to get snow on me. Snow. It's gonna melt.
That looks just like an angel.
It does.
Yeah, that was a good spot for it.
My annual snow angel.
Keck's Pond. That'll really get those ice balls out of his feet. You can see even with below 0 temps, they're in the water. They love it. Don't you, buddy? What's up, Badge?
Oh, there's a little balancing rocks.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, they were there the other day. Telling them to wait for a second. Just relieving a little sciatica.
Oh, your notifications on.
Is that what that was? Your phone?
Yeah, it is. Gotta have it on from earlier.
Oh, sure.
So you can hear that.
Hey, stop for a second.
Yes.
Turn around.
What? Oh, yeah. No.
Yep.
Thank you.
No problem. Good as new.
Huh?
Good as new. Hey, come on. We're gonna go this way. boys. Yeah, that this is where all that carbon fiber looking ice was. It doesn't look like that anymore.
No, it looks like slush, like a slushy.
Yeah. I think conditions, if you go back and watch my last hiking video, this water almost looked like it was like fiberglass or something.
It had been the combination of the wind and the snow.
Yeah.
And the cold.
The night before when it was snowing, there was like 70-mile-an-hour winds, so I think the conditions were just right to make it look like that. Hey, come on. Good girl. Boy. Oh, he's got something stuck to his tail. Nice. Toki, you got a branch on your tail.
Toki!
Oh, I almost got it. It's got thorns on it, so I didn't want to hang on to it. I could feel the thorns tearing my glove.
He's like, oh, there, he just realizes it.
Yes. Watch out, Toke. That's got thorns.
Come here, let's get the rest of it.
We'll get the rest out. Here, hold that. Yep, we got shit. Yeah, that's got some big, that almost looks like a rose bush, the thorns on that thing. Ugh. Jesus.
It's in there good, huh?
Yes. Ow! I just whacked myself in the forehead with it.
Oh, that's not fun.
There you go, buddy.
You're leaving a little piece of Toki behind.
Yes. That had some big thorns on it. Badge, Toke, come on. Good girl. Good boy. Taking your gloves off?
I'm warm.
Yeah. Don't go sliding down the hill, Badge. See, it's not a sheer drop. It's just a real steep slide down, so if they ended up going down it, they're just gonna bounce off a bunch of small trees. They're not gonna plummet to their death. We're going uphill as we climb out of the valley right now. No, up here. Come on. Come here, Tam. Come here, Max. I don't have a viewfinder, so hopefully I'm getting us all in there. Happy birthday, sweetie.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Love you.
Love you too.
Oh, wait.
Tim.
Yeah.
We watched this Korean boy band doing this weird thing where they thumb their nose and make a little finger heart, so that's what she was laughing about. Right?
Right. Every single one of them.
Yeah. Looks like there's a Springer Spaniel or something over there. How you doing? Well, we're starting to work our way down towards the end of the walk. Got a couple blocks left. Just say here, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You'll get email notifications when our new videos come out. Really helps us if you share our videos with others to grow. And also, if you're not subscribed, subscribing to our channel really helps us too if you watch our videos. Again, we appreciate you coming along. Bye from the perpetually beautiful Tammy.
Have a great day.
Our birthday girl. My strapping young son Max, our youngest. Birthday boy Toki. He's got himself a snow mustache. And Da Badge. Honey Badger. Again, it's been just a beautiful day. The gods were smiling down on Tammy today. Gave her some beautiful weather. She was bummed out when she couldn't go on that snowstorm hike with me because she was working. Right?
I was pouting.
Yes, she was pouting when she got home.
As I'm texting you.
We were gonna go on a second snowstorm walk that day when she got home, but it like quit snowing like right when you get off.
Yep.
Yep. You got more ice balls in your toes, Toke? I'll cut that when we get home. I just want to say now also, I know we're going to get a ton of happy birthday wishes for Tammy and Toki. Here's your chance now.
Yeah, hey, thank you so much. That's really awesome.
Yeah.
Super cool. I don't know what to say. Chad's he speaks for me.
Yes. I'm like the Lorax. Instead of speaking for the trees, I speak for Tammy. I suppose with a snowy mustache and beard, I kind of look close to the Lorax, right?
No, but seriously, very nice. Very thoughtful. I appreciate it.
Yes.
Super cool.
Yes, Toki does too. That goes from Toki also. I speak for Tammy and Tammy speaks for the Tokemeister. Again, that's all. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.